Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions. Today in this video we will learn about the Windows shortcut keys. Generally we use shortcut keys for our computers. Basic shortcut keys: F1 help key for all program, F2 rename selected file or folders, F3 search at desktop only. You can search any item by pressing F3. F4 insert row in Excel, close in Word, select search path in desktop browser. F5 refresh in desktop, go to in Word and Excel. F6 double press for select all menu in Word and Excel with letter. F7 spelling and grammar check. F8 extended selection in Word and freeze if you press again and again. Windows key plus D minimize all application at a time and go to the desktop directly. Alt tab switching minimize the application one by one. Alt F4 to close any opened application or shutdown option. Alt Control Delete to go to the task manager or switching user or shutdown, or you can also restart here. Windows plus tab key to look multiple opened screen for select active screen in one by one. Screen print screenshot for desktop screen. Delete generally used for delete the item. Enter key used for OK option, and escape for cancel option. Control key told as generally easy key. Then go to some control plus alphabet keys with all alphabets. Here Control A select all, Control B bold the selected item, Control C copy the selected item, Control D repeat above line in Excel, font menu in Word, Control E alignment in Word, Control F find your replace menu, Control G go to, Control H replace or find menu, Control I italic, Control J change alignment for justify in Word, Control K insert hyperlink, Control A alignment left in Word selected item or active lines, Control M to active line in Word, Control N for new files, Control O open saved file or program, Control P print menu, Control Q alignment left in Word selected item or active line, Control R alignment right in Word selected item or active line, Control S save, Control T create table menu in Excel, Control U underline selected item, Control V paste copied item, Control W active close the active files, Control X code the selected item, Control Y redo, Control X undo, tab key to select the tab forward, Shift plus tab to select tab backward only in Excel files. These are the shortcut keys. Friends, please watch my video and subscribe it. Thanks for watching my videos. Okay.